Being on an island, it's to have hydro installed, it was going to be just astronomical. So this was way more beneficial to us, and we're very, very happy with the system. We're building the cottage on Little Red Stone, Big Island. We looked at hydro, but the installation fees were way, way too high. They're astronomical. Working with solar and wind has been really good. They're very professional. They know their stuff. Brian really knows his stuff. And we're very, very happy with them. We've had no problems whatsoever. Being on an island, we had to be mindful of scheduling, but yeah, it can be done. The system on the island here is we've got 8 panels, we've got 8 batteries, and it runs everything, our fridge, our water pump, lights, fans. My wife uses a hair dryer, and we could have lots more stuff running if we want. It's very easy to use. So we shut down the unit in the fall, just a couple of breaker pulls, and then in the spring put it back on. It's very easy. Yeah, if you're considering it, I'd go for it. I was skeptical at first, but no, I'm a pro solar guy now, so it's really good. Not to have a hydro bill, oh, it's fantastic. One less bill to pay.